Hi guys, it's your boy WCE Graphics. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you guys how you can create this professional AI design, so just stay tuned. Please, if you have not subscribed to this video, please subscribe and I will be glad to teach you very well. So let's dive in. Now you can see, let's draw our box. So this box, now we are going to size it. We are going to size it 3.6 by 4.4. Yeah, this is the size we are going to give it, 3.6 by 4.4. So you also give your box same thing, 3.6 by 4.4. Press P. When you press P, it will be at the center. So now this is our text. We already typed them out. This is it already. This is the name of the company we are branding for. So now you can come to your import. Now we are about to import our files and the rest. So you come to I'll come to my document. This is the place I save my work. So you can choose anywhere in your folder or your library to save your work. Yes, I have a lot of work in my folder, so I have to save it carefully. You understand? So let's dive in. Let's see. Then this is where I save my own. Then I'm going to import everything. So you can see the way I drag my mouse. I drag it to the end, then I selected everything, then import. I'm going to be dropping them one by one to import. Now you press F4 to preview your work. Drop the last one. This is the logo. So F4 to preview your work. Then let's keep this our AI to one side. This is the one we are using. So you press F4. Now for this design, which one are we putting first? We are going to start with this plain one. I'm going to start with this guy here. You can see this one, this plain one. Then you scale it. You hold your control. So you hold your shift, then you scale it. When you hold your shift, you drag on this your windows, then you scale it. This black thing you are seeing here, then you scale it. So after doing that, you press finish. Then now you are going to bring in this. You are going to power clip this one by right clicking. Then you see power clip here. Then you paste it in. Then you come to edit. You come to your zoom button. You are going to zoom it. Then when you zoom it, hold your shift, then you increase it. Yeah, you increase it. It's okay like it. Then we are going to check it. You come to your transparency tool. Then come to this place where you see screen. Let's just check it out. Yeah, I love this one, screen. You should leave it as screen. Then you press F4. You are going to bring in this. You paste this one in again. Then you zoom. So need to do that. You are going to press P so that this one will be at the center. Then you scale again by only your shift and your windows. That your windows, but your black node. So you can come to this part again. Then you blend. So when you blend, you come to soft light. Then you put it in soft light. You see now, put it in soft light. It's cool this way. Then now we have one more to go. Then you power clip this inside again. Just follow me step by step so you understand. Then you blend. I'm going to blend, but let's start from here. Let's start from this side. And one thing I want to say, when blending, when you are blending, don't start from this place. Don't start from here. You see where my black color is? Don't start from the tip. Take it inside, then you start blending. Take it inside and start blending. That is how to blend in a professional way. Don't worry, I'm going to make a video for how you can blend. So let's continue. Then you are going to bitmap, put it in RGB to get sharp color. You press OK. You are going to blend this side again. So you see the way I drag my blending. Then when you blend this side, you're going to come to screen, then you put it to screen. You see, we are done with our background. Then now we'll bring in our AI, clip our AI inside. You press F4. You come to edit. We are going to reduce this AI. So we are going to reduce it. Press our F4. We zoom to this side so we can see what we are doing. So we are going to see what we are doing now. Ctrl Z to undo. You can see it. So it's cool this way. Let's leave it this way. Then you come to your right angle tool, then you drag it down here. So you drag it down there. And so what are we going to do? We are going to apply black color to it. We're going to apply black color. You can see this black color is fade. It's because it's CMYK. So if you want to know the color mode, you see it CMYK. This C starts from CMYK. Then you are going to double click on it. When you double click on it, you come to this color viewer. Then you come to this color mode. You put it RGB. Then you take the color down. So you see difference. Then now, what are we going to do? We are going to blend it. Now I told you don't start your blending like that. Then when you blend it, you are going to take this one up. Then you scale it. I'm going to scale it. I'm going to scale it. So that is that for that. Then our logo, let's put it this side so we can see what we are doing. Let's put our things this side so we can see what we are doing. F4. Now we are done with our blending. Then you go to press save. You have to save your work. So I already saved it before, so you have to save it. Now what is the next? Let's pick out, this is the keyword, so we should pick it out of the design. Then go to press Ctrl X, Ctrl X to cut out. Then you paste it again in another place so that it will be different from. You press F4. You take it one side, then you are going to paste it separate. Okay, look at it this side, look at it here. So what are we going to do now? So let's just watch. You see what we are going to do now. Then now for this, we are going to break it. But before we break, let's just take this one down. So we are going to break it. So now let's see. You press Ctrl K to break. Then remove these two to one side. Then now we are going to increase this one. We're going to increase this one. Then you press your F4. So for this our area, it's okay like that. So let's leave it that way. I think it's cool that way. So for this now, what are we going to do? You increase this. We are going to increase this one, then you take it down. Then you're going to turn it to uppercase by aligning, which is Ctrl A, then Shift F3, then U, which is the shortcut U. Then press OK. Then now we are going to come to our font. We'll use Futuria. So you select your font, and now we are going to take them together, which is I click on shape 2 to bring them together. Now your pick tool, you drop it, then now you tap on it, turn it to black. So let's see what we are doing. Now you drag it again, take it down, I think it's okay this way. So okay, no problem. Let's take it down. Then it's cool like this, so drag it again. It's cool this way. Then you are going to break, Ctrl K to break, Ctrl K to break, so we can see what we are doing. Ctrl K, and you break. Then now what are we going to do? You zoom in so you know what to do. Then this is our N and this is our U. So what are you going to do now? You're going to draw a box with your rectangle. We want to cut out some parts that we're not going to use in this stuff. So you hold your shift after breaking, then you hold your shift, you tap on, you select on this first, then you hold your shift, you tap on this, then you're going to come to this place where you see trimmed. You can see it. Then when you trim, it's going to cut out that part. So same thing, you are going to shift this one a little, so you cut the U also. Before you cut the U, make it like this, then you hold your shift, you tap on the U, then you cut it out, so it will look like this. So but I'm not satisfied with the way I see this one. So what are we going to do? We are going to still cut this one. We're going to cut it again, then you hold it, then cut it. Okay, we're still going to add a little to it because there's the concept we are trying to achieve. The concept I'm trying to achieve, so you cut it out again. So we're going to do same thing, cut it out. So after doing all this thing, now you select all of them again. Select all of them, then take them closer. Take them closer. You can see you take it closer. It's cool like this. It's okay. Now we are still going to do same thing to this our N. Then go to cut out this N. When you cut out the N, you are going to leave just the L. Then you delete this. So you're going to select, then you shift it closer. Then it's cool like this. Then now you have to double click on the node to bring them down. You know, I told you these are the node, these are our node. Those, all this white thing you are seeing, this stuff, all these are node. All those are node, you can see them. So that's what you are going to do. So now what is next? I'm going to click on, I'm going to cover this to curve. Right click, then you see cover to curve, which is shortcut Ctrl Q, then click on it. Then you are going to stretch it. I'm going to stretch it to the ND. When you stretch it to the ND, you're going to hold your shift, then you tap on the circle, which is after selecting this L. You hold your shift, you tap on the circle, you cut it out, you click on it again, you hold your shift, you tap on C, then you cut it out, then you click on L again, you tap hold your shift, then you tap on your K, then you cut it out. So what are we going to do now? What are we going to do? Then now after doing that, you are going to see this stuff here. So what we will do next is that let's draw our shape. See, after drawing our shape, this is what we want to achieve. We want to achieve this, so just watch. Please, once again, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please go and subscribe. Go and subscribe, please. This video will help you, and I'm going to do many tutorials that is going to teach you about how you can design in a professional way. Yes, please subscribe. Please, I'm begging. Please, please, please. God bless you. If you subscribe, God is going to bless you. God is going to increase your earning income. Thank you very much for subscribing. I love you guys. I'm still going to share more updates. So just do the way I do it. Then you're going to hold your shift, tap on this. Wait, but first you select this. Then you hold your shift, tap on your circle, tap on the C, then you tap on the K. It's going to show this thing here. Then you click on it, then it will cut out one art. Well, we didn't select the rest. I think that's why I didn't cut it. So you hold your shift again, you tap on the C, then you click on it, it's cut it already. Then you click on the stuff again, you hold it, then you cut it again, which is your circle. You cut it. So this is the outcome of what we just did. So what is next and what are we looking for? You know, I told you guys we are going to do concept. We want to do concept on this stuff. So what are we going to do next is to draw this again, use it to separate. Okay, there's no need for that for now, so let's just do this one. You draw your C, so you separate it, use it to separate this. Then you hold your shift, tap on your C, then you call it out, then you delete. So you delete. So for this, I don't know what is this, but let us double click it, so get it out of there. So when you double click, so what are we going to do now? Because we want this stuff to this K to be straight, so we are still going to work on it. Now I want the K to be straight, to have a straight line. You are going to draw this your shape across it again. When you draw it across it, you are going to hold your shift, then you tap on the K, then you cut it again. You see, we already made it. Then cut it again. So now what you do is to select, come to your, pick your shape tool, then you come to this side, you select, then you hold your control to increase it a little, or if you do it again like this, or if you are doing it again like this, you still just are going to cut it small, not too much, small. You cut it out. No, it's too much. Just need it small, just a smaller part. So you hold your shift, then you cut it out again. I think it's too small over. Let's just zoom in so we'll see what we are doing. Then this is cool. Then you hold it, then you cut it out. So it's okay like this. Then you delete this. You press your F4 to preview your work. And you're going to zoom this. So when you zoom this, you're going to see this now. What are we going to do? You draw your circle by holding your control. If you want a straight circle, I told you before in our introduction, you hold your control and you draw your circle. So now you draw the circle, you put it in this side. Just going to drag to fit it. Take a screw this way. Then you hold your shift again, then you click on it, then you click, sorry, not like that. Now you are going to cut. You see this part where you see intersect, the third one, you are going to click on intersect, which means it's going to copy it. You understand? But it's going to cut it and copy. So it will not appear, it will not disappear it the way we have been cutting all these ones since. So it's going to copy it. Just try it, you see what I'm trying to say. So now you click on this again. Then now you now select this one first. You first of all select this. Then you click on, hold your shift. Then you click on the LE. Then you are going to click this trim. Now it has trimmed this stuff you are seeing. So what we'll do, we'll shift it back to see what we did. You see it? This is the one we copied. This one is just like we copied it. You understand? So that is how it is. It's just like we copied here. So that is how it will give you. So let's go to the next one to do the next one. So we are still going to do this circle like this. But before we do the circle, we are going to do the C first. We are going to cut out a part so that the C can have its own space. You do the same thing. I think it's not fit well, so we are going to make it fit. Then cut it out. Perfect. This is good. This is cool. And now from there, you're still going to cut this. Just select this, then you hold this, and you're going to, what you do, you click on this to trim. Click on this to trim. So when you do that, you're going to click on this again, which is, let's just take this one out first. You are going to click on this LE again, then you drag it closer. When you draw it closer, you know why we draw it closer? Don't worry, just watch, you see it. You see the reason why. So you drag this. You are going to hold your shift after selecting this, then you click on it. You copy first, then you click on the C again, then you're going to cut it. Yes. So now when you click on this, note we are still using this LE for this concept. Then when you highlight this and you double click, so you see the reason why we did that. So you do it like this. Then now you are still going to come to this part again in this other side. You take this circle to this side. Yes, then you leave it this side. Then now you are going to, first of all, you are going to, let's copy. Then after that, then you click on this again, then you cut. Now after cut, let's check something. Okay. Then now this one, you remove it. Then you click on your shape tool, you tap on this, then you remove it. See, but we didn't get it perfect. So what you do, let's Ctrl Z. So we are going to Ctrl Z because we want it to be perfect. Let's group B. So let's group the two together. Ctrl G to group. So it should be like this. Now this L, we are still going to increase it to this side. Okay. So for this, we are still going to increase it. There's something I thought of, so let's just increase it to get a perfect circle. Then you delete this, Ctrl V, just paste it. There's a reason why I do that. So you click on your circle again, then you're going to, let's maintain it this time. So you see, and we are going to make it match. So then you increase this one, just increase it. So we are going to cut just this part. Yes, perfect. We are going to cut just this part, then you delete. Good. This is what I'm looking for. Then now you're going to select this again, then you stroke it down this way. Then you hold your shift, then you click on this, then you click on that, you cut it again. See, we got it. So this is what I'm looking for. So now what are we going to do again? We'll measure this You drag it accordingly. You drag it accordingly. You can see what we are doing. Good. Then you are going to put the black. Then you remove the outline. So now this one, you're going to drag it to the end again, to this part again. Drag it here. It's cool this way. And so what are we going to do again now? You draw this, then you rotate it. So we are going to rotate it. So you can see, let's just drag this one here. Then you measure it with the K. Then now we are going to hold your shift, then you click on it, then you cut. Then this same thing, you are going to take it to this side, then do same thing there. You're going to cut, then you delete, then you click on this. You're going to select all, then you double click, then this you're going to select all, then you double click, so it will disappear. So now let's Ctrl X to save. We are not done yet too. There's one thing remaining for the for this concept now. So you zoom in, and you zoom in, you can see this part. We will have to maintain it a little. So when you zoom to this area, then you curve a little. So let's leave it like that. Then now this guy, we are going to give it a circle. So let's draw our circle. There's one thing we are going to do. So when you draw a circle, we are going to use it to cut out this part to make it straight. Hold your shift, click on this, then you are still going to select this, then hold same shift, then you click on it. Then now you delete this. It's not straight because you didn't maintain it, so we are going to Ctrl Z. Going to Ctrl Z. So we are going to maintain it first before doing all these things. So how are we going to maintain it? Increase on this, and increase on this. So let's remove outline, or let's put outline, then we remove the fill. Remove the fill. And let's see. Okay, I think it's cool like this. Let's leave it like this. Yeah, let's leave it like this. I should just give it a little rotation. So I think it's cool this way. Then you delete. We are going to you see, let's make them together a little. Yeah, school this way. Then now you are going to group. Ctrl G to group. Then let's maintain the rest first. Ctrl A, Shift F3. I'm going to use Futuria. Their color is green and orange, so we are going to pick orange, the sharp orange, not this type of orange. You can see this. The power off. Then you break this down, take it, then you cut it, Ctrl Ops, add it to this one, and leave it like that. Now we are going to increase this. We are going to increase it. The power off. So it's good that way. Then now, but first of all, before we continue to make this design to be more beautiful, we are going to draw our box across this. I'm going to draw it like this. Just follow my step, you see. Just follow my step. You know how to do all this. Yes. But I promise you that there is no how you are going to follow me that you don't know how to design. Yes, I do teach people for 4 months. I have a student. I have students I have taught Coreldraw. Yes, just 4 months. Some are not even up to 4 months, but they are designing. So now what are we going to do now? We are going to blend this side. We're going to blend this side. Then you bitmap. When you bitmap, we are going to blend this side again, but not too much. So when you blend it, it's cool this way. Then you bitmap. Now we are going to transparent it. We're going to transparent it. Then now we power clip it inside. Then this, you are going to use the brown color. We're going to apply green. We're going to apply green to this one. Then now we're going to apply the yellow. Yeah, this is what we just need. So now by doing this, now you are going to copy, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, then you turn this one to black. Note it's 2, so you turn it to black. I don't like to do shadow through this way. Then you turn it to black. You are going to bitmap it. Then you come to effect, come to blur, you come to this visual blur. Then stuff here is going to pop out, not too much. Yes, it's cool this way. Then you cancel, then you page down. When you page down, you're going to zoom. Then you come to your effect again. I think the blur is too much. Then you reduce. Then you are going to shift it. You see it. Yeah, cool. So this is what we are looking for. So when it's like this, so let's just use our to shift it up. Now you are going to group all again, Ctrl G. And when you group all, you page it down. Then you page it down. So you can see it. And now we are going to work with this. The same thing, we're going to do shadow in this one. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. I don't love doing those type of shadow through this one because I don't love it. It's not clear at all. Not that you cannot do it too, but I prefer this one. Yes, I prefer this one. Then you cancel, then you page down. So you can bring this one out again too. So let's put this one in 0.01. That is what I put it. So that I can be able to adjust all this. Get. So that is it for that. So you group the two again, Ctrl G. Then you take it down, or clip it. Then you enter, page down, Ctrl page down. Ctrl page down, then finish. So what are we going to do now? We're going to Ctrl X to save the work first. Ctrl A, Shift F3, title case. Then make them the same font. Make them the same font number. So then you turn this one to black. You turn that to black. We're going to leave all of them to be same. We're going to leave the two to be same. So now we are going to put this one to stylish font. So we're going to use this is the font we are using. This is the font we'll be making use of. Yeah, you can see it. So you press Ctrl X to save, then F4 to view. Then we'll come to this. Are you looking to learn? Then you group, you align. Then you're going to cut it out. Ctrl V to paste. So we want this stuff in two line. So this one is going to attach to this one. Then give it a space. Then this area you reduce it. This one is going to attach. And now we are going to reduce the two. I'm going to reduce it. So now for this, we are still going to enter inside the power clip. Then we are going to increase it. So use it, and you take less. So I want to increase it a little. Yeah, it's cool this way. Then we take this one down to this extent. So now we are going to use this one tutorial. Black. So we are going to do it like this. Now for this, we are going to intersect just the way we have been doing the rest. So you do it like that, just that you have to maintain it. Or let's just make it Ctrl Z. Then tap on it, then cut it out, delete. I think it's cool this way. Then we have to Ctrl X to save. Then after that, we are going to come to the next one. But first, this our area, we are going to reduce it. I want to reduce it. It's too big. So we reduce it. Then we'll take everything in this place down. So this is it. So for this you take it down. For this you're still going to take it down, but the best thing to do is to just group the two together, then you take it down. Yes. So Ctrl X to save. When you're done with Ctrl X, let's take it up a little. So then press your Ctrl X to save. After that, we're going to preview everything. Now we just have some parts to do. It's not too long again. So what to do? The next thing, you're going to draw your box. You're going to draw your box. Immediately you draw your box, you are going to duplicate it, make it to one up, one down. Then you are going to make this one this way. then you reduce this. Then you zoom. Then you turn it to white, make it white, make them white. Then you remove outline, then you're going to curve this part by holding your control to move only one node. So you're going to curve this part. This is the part you want to curve. So when you curve it, so after curving it, you're going to also zoom in this. Then you convert to curve, Ctrl Q. To convert to curve, Ctrl Q. Then you should come to your shape tool. Then you create a node here by double clicking. Then you drag this one down. Then when you drag it down, then you leave it there. Then you're going to create a node again here. Then you click on this part, you click on this, then you're going to shift it inside. Then you double click it for it to leave. Then it will now appear here. So you now use this part to maintain it. So use this two side to maintain it. Then you're going to shift this one inside. You maintain this one down. And see it. You can see it. Going to see it. We are done with it now. So you Ctrl X to save. So what is the next now? So now this one is going to shock you. I know many of you will be thinking how they do that book cover stuff. So this is what you want to see, right? So just pay attention. So you have to subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm still begging. I'm still begging. Please don't be wicked. Don't be selfish. Please, I take God beg you. Subscribe now. Please, thank you very much. Then now you reduce this one. Let's put it to orange. Immediately you reduce this one. I'm still going to reduce it so it will be smaller, so we can get what we want. So when you reduce, then you duplicate. I'm going to duplicate, copy, mainly copy. Don't tap it to let it stabilize. Then you Ctrl D to duplicate. You press F4 continuously to duplicate. And we are done. It's good that way. Then you are going to highlight everything. Press arrow so that should be in yes, so that should be in arrange. So that should be in line. Sorry. Then you hold your shift, you tap on it, then you cut it out. It's going to cut out. Then you delete this one. So it's going to give you something like this. Hope you can see it. Then Ctrl X to save. Then press your F4. And now we are going to bring out this. We're going to bring out this. Ctrl V to paste. Then we're going to take this out again. Ctrl X, Ctrl V again to paste. Then now you click on this one, Ctrl A, Shift F3 T shortcut. Then you tap on it. Then now this space you are seeing up, we are going to delete it. So we are going to delete it. After deleting, come to this tutorial, then you add it to your font. Now you zoom in, black. Then you reduce this. You reduce this. Still increase the little. Then you're going to give this a space. These are the courses including in the company. So now what to do next? What to do next? What are you going to do next? What are you going to do? What are you going to do? we take it in again. We are going to start duplicating. You drag Ctrl D. Then you zoom in. Then you delete this one. Then you Ctrl K to break your text. Then you start aligning them like this. Then you press C. Then you align. Then you press C. C. Press your C. When you press your C, make them beings. Make them be equal in length. So you press your C. So after this, you're still going to save F4. Then you're going to pick this one. Then Ctrl A, Shift F3, then U. Then after that, you're going to put it in tutorial. Then you put it in black. And I'm going to leave it. So put it in black. It should not be too big. Then let's reduce this a little. So let's go this way. So Ctrl X, F4. So what is the next now? What is the next? So we are still going to draw another box in this area. You can see it's still going to draw another box, white. We are still going to draw it in this area. Then you remove the outline, then you take it inside, enter inside the power clip, then you page down. Then when you are done with that, you blend it. So you blend it, then you finish. After that, we are going to carry the text. We're going to carry the text. You pick them together. Ctrl V to paste. Then take them in there. And now we are going to arrange it. Before we arrange it, we are going to put it in black so we can see what we are doing. So after that, in this one, I'm going to make this BTI. I'm going to make this BTI a bold character. Yes, then Y, also a bold character. Then solution, also a bold character. Then this. Now we are going to add one more right up, which is get in touched today. Get in touch today. Shift F3 T. We are going to bold this one. So for this, we are going to we're going to take this guy here down. Before we do all those, there's one more thing we need to do before we do all those. So we are going to draw this line, then this line we're going to power clip it inside. Should fade it a little. So now for this, we are going to copy out the phone number, Ctrl V, then Ctrl V, then you delete this one. I'm going to put it in Footeria, then take it this place, then zoom. Then put it black. So same thing to this email, to this location, sorry. So let's continue. So we are going to put this on to Ctrl A, Shift F3, U. You reduce this a little. And now let's create our logo, our location logo. This is how to create location logo. After doing this, you convert to curve, Ctrl Q, tap on this side, then drag this one to center, drag this one in a little, then zoom in so you can see what you are doing. Then drag this one here, then you are going to draw this node, then going to drag this one down again, then you drag this node, so you draw this one again, then you draw the node, then you're going to drag this one down a little. You draw the double click on this so that one will leave. Then after that, you draw your circle, a little circle, then you apply it to the center of this, increase it a little, then tap on it. You know how to do that now by clicking your shift, by selecting. After selecting that circle, you hold your shift, then you tap on this one to do what I just did. So you press on the stuff, you remove the outline, so zoom in. Then you draw a line your free hand. You draw a line. Ctrl X to save. Then now, before we continue the rest, before we finish the rest, let's just maintain this. So now we are going to break this into two. Then we are going to give it a tutorial test. Before putting it up, we are going to arrange it. So let's just make this one a round, then make it white, then this one make it black, then Ctrl X, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, take it up. We are going to reduce this one, then Ctrl K. After Ctrl K, then you increase it here. We are done there. Then you group again, Ctrl G to group. Then you draw a circle. Then this circle, you are going to power clip this inside. Then you fit. After fitting, you are going to reduce it. Yes, you are going to reduce it. Then you increase this one a little. Then remove the fill. Then you group the two again. Then you hold your shift, tap on it, then you press C, E, and C. Then Ctrl G. Then now you take it up. Take it up. Then you group again. Ctrl X. So now let's go and import our light. So we'll make this design more beautiful. So we come to my download here in my PC. Now import the one I have. Import, drop. I will do a tutorial on how you can do this light, so don't be too hurried, don't be too fast to learn, don't be in an haste to learn. Please just calm down, follow step by step. Even if you didn't know it, I'm going to do a tutorial of this. Yes, I'll do a tutorial for this, definitely. I don't add knowledge at all. I don't add knowledge for people. I'm not the type. Return to screen. enough for this. Let's power clip it inside. So now to take it inside, you're going to control page down, then control C, control V, then you remove the fill, put an outline, you blend it from there to here. Then Ctrl X, then this same light you are going to copy again, so you can see it. These are I did this. These are I did what you are seeing. So you can see it. Now we are missing one thing. So we can let's just apply this one. This is the last stuff we have to apply. Ctrl G. And Ctrl X to save, F4. We are going to, so you can see we are done with our work now. We are done with our work. You can see it. These are I did this. We are done with our work. So please guys, thank you very much for staying to the end. I really appreciate, and I want us to grow together. So more updates. I'm still going to share updates in this platform. Aside graphics design, I'm still going to share updates, yes, on how you can make money and other stuff. You know, these modern days you don't have to sit down at home doing nothing, or playing game, playing that, wasting your data to watch people content when they are making money. So you have to create your own. We also teach you things that you have to know to start up. So with this course you can also start up a YouTube channel. Yeah, you can also start up a YouTube channel, but I'm going to tell you that please subscribe, like and share this video. Please comment, please do a tutorial of this so things, anything you want about Coreldraw or graphics design. So I'm going to teach you, yeah, even the movie aspect, the movie flyers, and maybe brandy packaging designs. There are a lot in this course. So please subscribe. Thank you very much. God bless you.